Welcome to the 2023 RD Lead Conference and Year-End Assembly. I am amazed to see how the RD Lead over the years has grown into a network of researchers, experts, and institutions.
The Balik Scientist Program is we get our experts for Filipinos who were abroad and would like to serve the country. Not because of the incentives, but because of the love of country.
I consider you all as the beacon of hope in bringing about progress and development in our country.
It's not about the money, fame, or popularity. Most of the time, it's about that journey. Sa katandaan ninyo sa buhay, hindi ka mapupunta sa tamang tao kung hindi ka nanggaling sa mali.
I am confident that they will be more than capable in tackling them since you armed them, not just with scientific knowledge, but also help shape their behavior and character to face the world with their hearts and minds in the right place.
Malaman ng mundo na ang mga Pilipino hindi basta-basta. Because we have proof that we have been great leaders since more than 2,000 years ago.
Huwag po sana kayong mapaso. Pagpatuloy po nating lahat ang ating passion sa research, whether we are the ones doing the research or we are mentoring the younger generation so that we keep the fire of research alive.
I always believe and I always maintained that ang tunay na tagumpay dinadadaan sa lakas ng sigaw at paghihintay. Ito ay kinukuha ng inyong mga kamay. Tingnan niyo yung kamay ninyo, malabo, malinaw. Malabo. Step back kayo, layo kayo konti. Lumilinaw, yun yung power ng step back. Pag minsan, sobrang familiar ka na isang bagay, masyadong malapit sa'yo, kailangan mong umatras para makita mo yung mas malinaw at mas malaking larawan.
Ako ho ay natutuwa talaga dahil alam ko po na eventually ay may good news at may mangyayaring maganda sa ating mga kanayunan.
Lahat po tayo humawak sa sulo ng RDE. Tayo'y mga katiwala, hindi katiwaldas. Ibig sabihin, ating iingatan ang sulo para hindi bumagsak at mawalan ng sindi. Para magpatuloy itong magsilbing liwanag.
Let us keep in mind that we always have each other to lean on, to gather strength and support from, to run to when we need help and don't know what to do. And most importantly, to remind us all the reasons we do what we do, to serve the people and give glory to the Almighty through our work.
Patuloy tayong maging mga sulo na magbibigay liwanag sa anumang kadiliman na bumabalot sa mundo ng pananaliksik. Huwag po nating hayaang mamatay ang sulo. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon.